Hi everyone, the topic we are going to discuss today is about disk scheduling. In this, the disk is used for storing and retrieval of the data. While accessing the system, there might be many occurrences where we have to fetch the data or we have to save the data on the disk. In either while reading or writing, that particular cylinder of the disk is accessed. In this, while using a system, there might be many occurrence of sequence for accessing the disk. Since we are using multiple process or multiple applications on the system, there might be multiple access requests for the disk for the data. In that situation, there might be a sequence of request access for the disk. In this, we have to serve all those requests with the help of some algorithm technique. In this, the access to the disk are given using 6 different access types. In this, that 6 types are given as FCFS, that stands for first come first serve, and SSTF, shortest seek time first, scan, C scan. C stands for cylindrical scan. Then look, finally C look. And these are the major categories of disk scheduling. By using these techniques, the access for the disk cylinder will be provided. Let's go directly for the problem. In this problem, the sequence of request access for the cylinders will be given as input. That is 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65 and 67 are the request sequence for accessing the disk. And the bandwidth which is allocated for the disk will be given. Here it is given as 200 cylinders. So we are considering the initial position as 0 and the final is 199. Totally the cylinder access will be of 200 cylinders, and the initial head pointer will be given. The initial head pointer is nothing but, while giving the access, the data in any position of the disk will be currently used, right? That is given as the head pointer. That means the data in that cylinder is currently accessed by the system. Whenever the queue arrives, then all the data and cylinders in the queue will be served using the above given 6 techniques. In this, the input given data are the total number of cylinders, that is 200, and the sequence of request and the initial pointer head position. That's it. By using this input data, we are going to give access for all those request queue cylinders using these 6 categories. Let's see one by one. First type is FCFS, disk scheduling algorithm. FCFS stands for first come first serve. By the name, we have already seen FCFS under CPU scheduling and for page replacement algorithms and all. Likewise, in disk scheduling also, FCFS type will be serving the queue in the arrival sequence itself. So in this, the sequence of queue which arrives from 98 to 67 will be served on the same arrival queue list. While starting this problem, we have to first draw the starting line which consists of the cylinders to be accessed, right? In this, just wait a second. Sorry for the interruption.